What's up guys, it's Simon, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys some tips and tricks on how to get featured on Musical.ly. If this video does help you out at all, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you are new, subscribe. Tip number one is pick songs with opportunities to do a lot of movements, because that's what Musical.ly looks for. If they see, oh, this is a good song with like a bunch of like movements or like fingers stuff, when you do Me, Myself, and I. Me, myself, and I, solo riding till I die, cause you got me for life. Like, they look for those type of songs, and they look to see if people are creative with their like hand motions and stuff. Or you can use props like, your words cut deeper than a knife, and then you like shake the camera, you like pause, and then pick up a knife, you resume in the same exact spot, and you shake it again, and then you start it, and then you get rid of it again. They're like, oh my gosh, look how he did that. Hey, that deserves a feature. Number two, if you're trying to do a comedic Musical.ly, make sure you over exaggerate your mouth and like your actions, and make sure you look really stupid or really funny, and use a bunch of props, because that's what Musical.ly really looks for, or when people are like exaggerating and like doing random stuff with these random props. And number three is use the hashtags that Musical.ly promotes, or the new songs that Musical.ly is promoting, because at the very beginning when they're like, hey, there's a new song, you guys should all make Musical.lys to it, they're looking for brand new fresh ideas. So at the very beginning when that hashtag comes out, you want to make it immediately and try to make it really good, because at the very beginning they're like rushing to find a Musical.ly that looks good with that new song so they can feature it so more people do it. So if you're in that very beginning little bunch and yours is really good, you have a really good chance of being featured. Number four, use more high tempo, high pace, really fast, high songs, because a lot of people love doing that, and it's like fast paced and you get more words and more emotions into one little bit. And if you can do that really well, Musical.ly will be like, hey, look, that was really good. Hey, we should feature it. Number five, I know I touched on this like a little bit, but use props. Props are like really good for getting features. Also, if you put the Musical.ly logo, like if you either have a Musical.ly shirt or if you get a little paper and like draw the Musical.ly logo, they really like when they see their logo in like videos, because my sister actually got featured 2 or 3 times because of her creativity with her Musical.ly logo and with her outfits. Number 6, if you're doing a dance video and say you're doing like while we slide, while you're sliding, make sure like the cameraman or whoever's recording your camera slides with it and like moves the camera with every motion. Like when you're whipping, when you're going like that, make whoever's recording your video go like as you're whipping. So like in that motion, be like while you're recording it. It just makes it look a lot more cool, and Musical.ly is like, hey, look at that, that looks really cool, I'm gonna feature that too. Alright, I'm gonna make a really quick Musical.ly for you guys, because I know you guys are like, wow, this kid's talking and he hasn't even made a Musical.ly for us yet. So I'm gonna make a really quick Musical.ly for you. I'm gonna do it to Me, Myself, and I. I've already done it on my Musical.ly page, but I'm gonna do it again because I like it. Before you like start doing your song, there are 5 different choices that you can do. It's epic, slow, normal, fast, and laps. I personally use fast because it's easier with the hand movements. I know a lot of people use laps for some weird hard reason, but I've never tried it, and I really don't feel like trying to do it because I feel like I'd be really bad at it. By the way, I have a little mark on my face, and that's because I got cut. So if you see that in this video, that's what happened. So I'm gonna save that private. I'm gonna show you guys really quickly. I'm not saying that was my best one, but that was just a really quick example. You wanna do a lot of different hand motions and movements. Let me show you guys this really quickly. It's just me, myself, and I, solo ride until I die, 'cause I got me for life. I don't need a hand to hold, even when the night is cold. I got that fire in my soul. So that was just a really quick one. Also, another really quick tip is you can do your Musical.ly over and over until you get it perfect. I literally make about 7 of one before I actually post it, and then I save it in private before I even post it, and I watch it later to make sure it's even good. So just take your time with Musical.lys. Honestly, it's all about time and perfection, because that's what Musical.ly really looks for. It's like the perfect motions, the perfect like speed of like the cuts, the movements and stuff, and that's what they really look for. That's why you see Baby Ariel getting featured all the time. That's why you see Ari get featured all the time. That's why they're really big on the app, is because they're really good at their motions and they spend their time making those Musical.lys. But yeah guys, that's how you get featured on Musical.ly. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. I post weekly videos on here, so if you want to subscribe, go subscribe, become part of the family. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next week.